A touch of luxury can make every day special. We at Nachtmann, makers of brilliant crystal glassware, believe that each day offers the prospect of joy and surprise.
The days are realer than the dating game. The expectation running.
The most casual get-together can turn into a spontaneous celebration. With an enduring commitment to the craft of crystal glassware, we bring a little luxury and sparkle to everyday life. Respecting our past, we actively shape our future. With an artisan heritage stretching back over 175 years, we are pioneering environmental technology at one of Europe's most modern plants. Untroubled by time or passing trends, our intricate glass blowing, engraving and polishing techniques remain. Here, in the best German tradition, we combine craftsmanship and the latest technology with rigid quality control and a passion for perfection and design. We apply traditional techniques to modern shapes to create elegant contemporary designs. Our 60s range is a fab example of the way we evolve these traditions. Our products perfectly blend form and function. We create elegant modern glassware for everyday sophisticated social lifestyles. Clearly contemporary, Vivendi Dancing Stars and the Ravello candle holder are instant classics. Fusing old and new, we revive products and techniques that remain in fashion forever. Using a 19th century technique, Delight features engraving on crystal, copying the style of hand stitching. Seeking the next generation of designers from around the world, we continue to demonstrate our passion for design by creating modern classics. Slice, quartz and petals are destined to remain popular for years to come. With our fine Bavarian crystal, you can make every day special.